Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ajud Nabi bin Muhammad Zaki. Today I want to talk about introduction. Let's get straight to the point.
This guy right
We know Carl Friedrich Gauss was the father of sequence and series. Formally, a sequence is a function with a domain equal to the set of positive integers. A series is a sum of a sequence of terms. That is, a series is a list of numbers with addition operation between them. On to the next one is the filler table. As you can see, this is the filler table for question number 1 and this is for question number 2. This is 4 elements in filler table. 1 is facts, 2 the ideas, 3 learning issues, 4 resources needed. Facts that we can get from the question. Ideas is to solve the question. Learning issue is the issue we can get from the question. Last but not least, resources needed is to find a way to solve the problem. Okay, so I will give to my friends to continue the presentation.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Farid bin Yusuf. Today I would like to explain about Pbl question 1A and question B 1 Roman, which is question 1 is due to COVID-19, you and your friend want to start an online clothing business. Both of you have 4 new members, each as downline or as the second generation. Assume that each generation is able to get 4 new members. Question 1A. Draw a diagram representing the members from the first generation to the 4th generation. As you can see from a diagram, first of all, they start as 2 people in first generation. After that, for the second generation, we have 8 people. That means 1 people multiplying to 4 people. As you can see at the diagram. After that, for the rest of it, it's continue the cycle of multiplying. The result, for first generation, we only get 2, which is 2 people only. After that, for the second generation, we get 8. Each other multiplying for 4. For the rest of that, we get third generation 32 and for fourth generation 128. Question B1 Roman. Based on the diagram, what is the difference between generation? If you want to know about how many people in a generation, you must use the formula which is Tn equal to Rn squared n minus 1, which is A equal to 2 and R equal to 4. For first generation, we got 2 multiplying by 4 squared 1 minus 2, which is we get the answer 2. And for all generation, we will use the same formula. If you want to know about the difference between the generation, all the solution is here, which is x minus 2 equal to 6 for second generation minus first generation, 32 minus 8 equal to 24 for third generation and minus second generation, and 128 minus 32 equal to 96 for fourth generation minus third generation. This is all of the difference between a generation. That's all from me, and for the other question, my friend will continue for the next question.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif Najmi bin Zainizan, AA 211650. Question 1B, 2 Roman. What is the ratio of the second generation with the first generation and the third generation with the second generation? Second generation with first generation. 4 equal to 2, simplify to be 2 equal to 1. Third generation with second generation, 8 equal to 4, simplify to be 2 equal to 1. 3 Roman, based on 1 Roman and 2 Roman, what is your conclusions? The numbers of members double from previous generations. For example, first generation have 2 members, and for the second generation have 4 members. The numbers of members keeps doubling for every next generation.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sofwan bin Hasman. Okay, let me continue the question number 2A, which is to list the total amount of the money your roommate saved for the first 4 months. We look at the table. First month, my roommate saved RM300. Second month, he saved RM350. Third month, he saved RM400. Fourth month, he saved RM450. Okay, I continue the question number 2B, 1, which is what is the difference between each month. For this question, we use the formula Tn equal A plus open bracket and minus 1 close bracket multiply D. We look at the table. For the difference between the second and the first month, we enter the values into the formula, that is T2 equals 300 plus open bracket 2 minus 1 close bracket multiply 50, and we get the 350. After that, we subtract 350, which is the value of the second month, from 300, which is the value of first month, and when the answer is 50, we repeat the same step for the third month with the second month, and the fourth month with the third month. After that, we get the answer to the difference between the first and the fourth month, which is 50.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arizul Haika bin Zulkifli. My metric number is AA212047. For the question 2, B2 Roman, what is the ratio of the second month with the first month, the third month with the second month? Okay, to find the ratio, we must calculate using fraction. First of all, we know that the second month is 350 ringgit and the first month is 300 ringgit. With fraction, we just calculate 350 per 300 and we get 7 per 6. The ratio for the second month with the first month is 7.6. Okay, next, we know that the third month is 400 ringgit and the second month is 350 ringgit. With fraction, we just calculate 400 per 350 and we get 8 per 7. The ratio for the third month with the second month is 8.7. Okay, for the 3 Roman, based on 1 Roman and 2 Roman, what is your conclusion? The conclusion is, in this problem, we must use arithmetic series to solve with formula Tn equal to A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket D. The T1 or A is 300. The common difference D is 50 ringgit. It would take him 9 months to get enough money to buy the new electronic device. The value ratio between the third month with the second month is the same value the second month with the first month.
My name is Muhammad Haika bin Abdul Aziz and my part is conclusion. As we all know, mathematics is one of the most important things to learn in order to use in our daily life. It can improve our mind to be more focused and be more patient to solve a problem. By using the right formula, we can solve any problems in mathematics or in life. All students that have been given this task will calculate using the proper math formulas to find the answer to these mathematical questions. All the idea and fact are listened to make an easier you understanding about how to solve the questions. After completing the fact and idea analysis through filler table, we are able to get the main objective done. The result we can get by using the formula, which is sequence and series. Lastly, this PBL project answer all the objective and the final value are concluded. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching.